we're going back down to this next stop. We're going to get off and walk around this, walk around the edge, I guess, on some glass platforms here. So we'll spend a little bit of time there. But coming down from the Schilthorn, the 07 here. But all right. Thrill walk. Do not leave the thrill walk. Hey, no problemo. The kid is not leaving the thrill walk. That is for sure here. So, kid's going to have a death grip on the railing, which is always good. But we're not down to the scary part yet here. So, got a ways to go. It's going downhill. Don't look down. I'm trying not to let the camera look down. And over there, there is a hang glider way down there. You see the orange. And looking down there, we have some people doing the high wire act. The kid is not going to try that though. But all right. There's another cable car coming up. All right, coming over here. This is the crazy part up here, I think. Oh yeah, it's going down here. Going down. Oh, the glass part up here. Oh yeah. There it is up there. So, all right, things I do for M1 Man Travel to give you all this stuff here. I'm not, not faint at heart, but I'm not the thrill seeker, so to speak. So I'm ancient, so gotta take care of the old bod here. You know how it is. All right, coming up on the glassy part here. Better switch hands. Gotta have my death grip on here. Oh, this one's got a crack in it. First one's got a crack in it.
They will take tons of pictures of us now. We will be around the world. The people will probably take 1 trillion pictures of us.
Okay. There's the gondola coming up. See if I get a wave out of them here. Or are they all dead people coming up here? We'll see. There they go. Hello. There they go. Okay. And here's the glass thing. Like I said, first one's, it's got a crack. There's a crack in it there. I'm not walking on that.
What?
It's got a crack.
So folks, there is a crack, just to make it funnier. I'll try. Yeah,
okay.
It's working, but
the kid is not going to walk on the glass here.
Don't do that.
But it's
So I go first. If you don't see me anymore, it was a pleasure, and keep the left then.
All right, there's some hardy souls.
These are the rocks coming down.
I guess I'm going to have to walk on the glass here. Okay, kid's on the glass. He's walking on the glass, picking them up, putting them down on the glass here. Here we go. Yes, indeed. He's doing slow. This one's got a bubble in it. At least it doesn't have a crack. Got a grip on here. It's a little scary. Not too bad. I'm going to make it to the end. Slow but sure. Coming up here. All right. All right. There we go. There's what we're looking at out there. And walking on glass here. Okay. Walking on the glass. Last piece coming up. Okay. Made it so far. Picking them up, putting them down on the glass. There. Picking them up, putting them down. Almost back to safety. All right. Made it. So there it is. That's from whence I came and where I'm going. All right. I think that's the end of the glass. We're just back on the walkway, and if you look up here, there's more stuff up here. So if you want to go past, you're welcome to here. And good views from up here. And yeah, that wasn't too bad. Didn't do the high wire act, but yeah, okay. This is the thrill walk. It's a little thrilling. A little thrilling here. Yep, yep. Still walking on the thrill walk here. Here we go. There's more paragliders out there. If you can see them, they got like white chutes on them. 2 of them down there in the shade. But that's in back of us here. So pretty safe otherwise here. Yeah, but that first piece of glass had a crack in it. All right, coming down is the rest of our group. Here we go. I'll stand back up here, the rest of our group. Okay, well here's another one. There's no glass, it's just like little roll bars here. So you gotta hold on to your camera if you want to walk on the roll bars. Yeah, same thing. That looks pretty safe though, but I'm still walking on the side here. But battery's getting low here. All right, we got a little grassy spot here. Very nice. Yeah, maybe coming out to the end here, I think maybe. So, yeah. All the rocks coming up here. All right. Well, I put a fresh battery in, so we found out we have to go back the same way because the end back here is blocked off. And there's a little thing you can crawl through here. The kid's not going to crawl through it there. If I had over 1,000 subscribers, I might have crawled through that for you there, but I don't have that many yet here, so okay. Well, now you can see the reverse of the thrill walk as we got to the end and coming back up here. So we have to go back the same way that we came here. So I've got a lot of steps, so I got to take my time on the steps there. And it's a little uphill here too. So, yeah, like I said, we're back at the old rollers here. You want to walk on the rollers? I might trip and fall and smash my teeth. I had to pay the dentist a lot of money to keep them nice. So, don't want to be doing that. So, yeah, it's not really cold. A little breeze here. You might hear a little bit of wind on there. There's the outside. Okay. We're up about 8,900 feet, so I don't have a lot of oxygen. So that's why I gotta take my time on the steps here. And catch my breath here a little bit. Don't want to get woozy or anything. There we're going up the steps here. Alrighty, alrighty. Not doing too bad. Getting along here. Trying to breathe in a lot of oxygen here. I'm doing pretty good. I'll take a little rest here before our next climb up the steps. Okay, a little rest. There's the Schilthorn that we're at. I'm a little out of breath from climbing back up all the stairs. We're going to catch another gondola coming down. Took my jacket off now. It's a little warm. But, okay. Got a drone here. I'd like to have brought my drone here, but they're not allowed. So we're going to take a look over here. There's the Jungfrau up top. Is the Eiger, the monk, and the Jungfrau. The Eiger, the monk, and the Jungfrau up there. So there you go. You get a good view of it there. Coming down here, the Jungfrau, right up there. Okay, here we are. More paragliders down there in the valley, you can see, but we got to go up to catch our cable car. Okay, we're going back down on the gondola here. Ooh, back down to more oxygen. Yeah, that's for sure. Feel nice. Can't even see the station. No, the station's way down there. It's a little dot. It's almost like a vertical drop here.
I couldn't believe it, so I thought I'd hear it again.
Inside, it's pretty noisy in here, but that's where we're going. And I think then we catch the bus somewhere. Okay, it's a little walkway, a little trail there. But it was good. Now it's 10 after 10 in the morning.